Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dommi and Nichole. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And today I have an interesting vlog for you guys. I am in Alaska. Say hi. Say hi, Dad. He's not paying attention. Say hi, guys. We're in Alaska, and right now we're about to go. Where are we about to go?
Oh, whale watching!
Whale watching.
So excited.
This has been on my bucket list for the longest of time. I've always talked about seeing whales, and now I finally get to see whales.
Literally on my bucket list. I'm dying right now.
So excited.
I swear we better see the whales for real.
I swear.
If we
I'm gonna
ain't
be
seeing
so
some rocks
sad.
and them little stupid seals, I'm gonna be real mad. When I want my $400 back.
I'm gonna be so upset. But I'm thinking positive. We gonna see some whales.
Yes.
They gonna jump up out of the
Lord, they
water
be
for
doing
us.
backflips.
It's gonna be good, okay? We're in Alaska. We're in Anchorage, Alaska, and I'm gonna get some shots so you guys can see the scenery. But I am excited, okay? I've never been to Alaska. This is my first time. This is all of our first times in Alaska. We have family here, and this is our first time. It's a shame, but we're gonna do some interesting things. And when we get to whale watching, I will pick the camera back up. All right, see you guys when we get there.
I'm so crazy about you. I'm so crazy about you.
Leave in the comments down below if you guys think we're gonna see something. You guys think we're gonna see something? You think we're gonna see a whale? We might see a shark. When they said they had hot food on this tour, I was expecting like an actual restaurant, not them making the food. So I'm gonna try this, and I'm gonna tell you guys how it tastes. I'm expecting this salmon to be A1 because, you know, I'm in Alaska, so the salmon better be A1, the seafood better be A1. So let me try. This is not what we expected when they said hot food. I see it. I see it. Oh, I see it. You see it?
Hey, we can count all the stars in the sky as they pass by your face. Take a trip up to Mars, hold you tight in my arms all the way. First time out of space. Well, baby, I would give you the galaxies. Fall for your love when there's no gravity, gravity.
Alright guys, so the cool thing about Alaska during the summer is that the sun does not go down. So right now it is 10:08 to be exact. The sun is still out. It's still a light outside, and I just think this is crazy. It's like, do you even go to sleep? Hi! Little bro, big sis.
We're gonna go to the strip club. It's my Aunt Jeanette's club. And it's in Alaska, and it's weird, but it's not. So we'll see how it is when we go inside. It is weird.
Good morning. Today is day 2 in in Alaska, and we are getting ready to go to zip lining. I've never been zip lining. Sissy's been zip lining. Cass, are you excited? Excited for zip lining?
Yes.
Yes.
He said he like a robot. Yes.
So we are on our way to zip lining. It's about an hour away from Anchorage. In what part of Alaska?
Jasmine.
Daddy in the back. Daddy, you excited for zip lining?
Yes, ma'am.
You ever been?
Yes, I am.
Oh, okay. So just me and Cass are the only ones that never been zip lining. So I'm excited. Guys, this is the most dangerous road I've ever been on in my entire life. Do y'all see this? There's no rail on the side. We're going up a mountain. There's nothing. One wrong move and it's over with. Alright guys, so we made it to the zip lining spot. This is the outside of it. This is the little area. You see the mountains.
Hop on this rocket ship, I got a blast. Girl, you so confident. We don't need fast, need forever. Who you? Forever, you and me. The way you feel is so interstellar. When I'm with you, I swear I'm in heaven, baby. I'm so crazy about you. I'm so crazy about you. You can't blame it on me. Blame it on insanity. Waking up feeling like it's gon' rain. It's sunny out, but it just comes in waves. When you ask me if I'm okay, I don't have a lot to say. Can't tell you something I do not